Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have an unboxing for you. It's a little bit different than the usual plant unboxing. I was contacted by Mars Hydro. They're a company that provides lights, grow lights, and they reached out to me and I let them know I've never tried grow lights, but I would be interested in trying it out. So they went ahead and sent me this grow light. So let's go ahead and open it together and get started. Alrighty, so here's a user manual here. Mars Hydro, grow on Earth, grow with Mars. So this is a light that they gave me. It's a TS600. I've never had a grow light, so this is gonna be my first experience, so you guys will see how that goes. Here we have the mechanism to hang it. So it's going to be like the strings, rope, ratchet, light hanger. So I'll show you it all set up. I'm going to put it in my room. So there are those. Let's pull out the light here. Okay, so here's the way the light looks. So this is where the light comes out. Here, this is the top of it. It has our plug here. I have to find a place to put it. I do have a shelf that I could put it on, but I have to look at how far to put it from the plants. I'm going to be doing propagations in this, and then I'll probably put a couple of rosettes, so echeverias, that typically stretch indoors, just to see how this light is able to provide the light it needs to continue growing compacted. So here's how it looks. It's very lightweight, and yeah, I can't wait to try it out. So let me go ahead and set it up, and then I'll show you how it looks. So I'm looking at this here, and I'm trying to see where it says like how close to put the plants. So here it says suggest handling distance, so seedlings 24 inches. So I guess from the light to the plant. So seeding, so 24 inch, germination 24 to 30, veg 18 to 24, flower 12 to 18. Suggest lighting time 18 hours on, flower 12 hours on. So I'm assuming it's going to be this flower range, so 12 to 18 inch. Then I'll adjust as needed. All this watts, power drawn, amps, dimensions. I guess the footprint covers, the footprint of this light covers 2 by 2 feet. So it's not the size of the light. But yeah, I know there's not a lot of other technical reviews on this light. Mine is basically going to be like very simplified, how to use it, how to set it up. So I'm just going to set it up and show you, and I'll let you know how, if it was easy or not. And then we're going to see how it grows, my propagations, and how it does with my echeverias. Let me go ahead and set it up, and then I'll let you guys see how it looks. Alright friends, so this is what I'm going to put in under the grow light that I received. So the Mars Hydro grow light. I put some babies that I had growing outside. So I'm going to put these inside now under the light to see if they develop faster than the ones outside currently. I also have a couple of ones, ghosties, that this one has even stretched a little bit outside. So I want to see if that one will grow closer together. Same with this one. I want to see how the new growth comes in. For this one, I have my moon glow that has already kind of rooted. However, I want to see how it does under the grow light. This one as well, this jet bead. I want to see how it does, because I know it gets more green. in less light, but if it gets like its morning sun or even more sun exposure, then it gets this like burgundy color. So I want to see if that changes. This sedum as well, it grows really compact. I want to see if that changes. I also have this string of hearts that I've been kind of neglecting. I was propagating it, and I don't think I watered it enough, so I did give it a little spray right now. I want to see how that does under the grow light. This I do have to water a little more often, so I'll be watering this part. So this will get some of that wetness. So yeah, a lot of stuff I'm gonna put under there, so I will show you the setup now. Alrighty, so here is the setup I have. Currently, I have it in my room next to my dresser. I have it on this little desk I had because the shelf that I had didn't have enough separation between the light and the plants. So I needed something a little bit higher. So I have this set up. It was really easy to set up. It just, if you have the right spot for it and already cleaned out, it takes a lot less time than moving stuff around for it. So I have it like this. You literally just put in these little clips on this wire, and then you attach it to the little leverage thing, just like that. I think I did it right. Just like that, and let me turn off the light so you can see how it looks without it. So here's how it looks without the light on. As you can see, these are the plants I have. I have some just like that, not on soil or anything, and that is the same exact mix I did for the outdoor ones. So it has the soil, turfus, diatomaceous earth around it, and also some of the succulents that I propagated. So it has some fried eyes in the middle, and some other ones that I have already leaf babies, and there's new propagations in there with my string of hearts like I showed you outside. And then these ones are just not in soil, so they're gonna have that. I just want to see how they'll do without soil or anything. So yeah, let me go and turn on the light so you can see how it looks with the light on. So just like that, it's nice and bright and lit up. That's how we're gonna try it out, and I will keep you posted. This is day 1 of using Mars Hydro Light. I wanted to end this part of the video by saying thank you. Thank you, Mars Hydro. Thank you, Phyllis, for reaching out to me to try this and give a review on how I like it. I've been wanting to try grow lights, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So it's nice to be able to do this and show my subscribers. So this is day 1. So I'm gonna check back. If I see any changes, I'll check back in, but we shall see. I also added this echeveria. It's a double head echeveria. It's like some kind of hybrid echeveria, but that has like the raindrop little guys on it. I wanted to see how this one does, if it keeps its color, if it doesn't stretch. So I wanted to add that one to show you guys as well.